Here's an interesting app called YouCam Perfect Beauty Camera, AI selfie editor and filter. So yeah, here you can just tap get and then yeah, just install this app. All-in-one photo editor, remove objects, body tuner, AI enhance, create your AI avatar, retouch selfies, retro photo filters. Over 800 million downloads and still counting. YouCam Perfect is the best selfie photo editing and beauty camera app. Download YouCam Perfect for all the selfie and photo editing and beautifying tools you need. Body tuner, object removal, face beautify, teeth whitening, all of the things. Yeah, like there are a bunch of apps like that in this category. So let's just take a look if it's any different or what's the pricing here. So I can just easily, create an account with Apple ID. Then you can just edit your name. I need to submit that you're, yeah, and then here just tap next. And then you can follow people. And then there is a free trial. And then $32 per year after 7 days free trial. But there is some free version. And then, yeah, now you just create your account and then you can just do like a photo edit. And then you can just give access to some of your photos. From here, you can just choose your album. So here, all right, there are some sample photos, which you can see here, whatever. Okay, I can just take a photo just right now. I'm not sure. So whatever. And then you have this and then, all right, photo edit. I can just took this photo. Or maybe it's just easier with camera here. This is a bit confusing, to be honest, guys. And then, yeah, for example, I can just take the photo like this. I don't know why it's that dark. I can also retake it. So now seems it's working. You can lighten it up and then there are all the different filters like which you can apply. There are all of these kind of vintage filters and then there are also all of these effects which you can apply. Okay, we tried that. Then there are like smoother effects where you can just smooth out the photo. Face shaper, chin shaper, and that's a premium feature. Body shaper, AI selfie, which is kind of a new, and then here you can just use all of these additional filters. So yeah, which you can try. It's quite interesting. And then yeah, you just have all of that. So yeah, kind of pretty interesting. And yeah, so that's what it is. Then smile, you can add a smile here. Like, let's see if, oh, right. So yeah, you can just add it. It's a premium feature as well, but teeth whitener, all of these things, as in other apps, you have that. Photo was saved. And then, of course, you just have ads. And then you have all this magic avatar. Makeup, you can also remove background. You can also have AI removal tools. All of the things. There are also some templates. It's pretty interesting app if you want to try it out. Brush up your Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. Give it a try.